Hi again, everybody, and welcome back to Introduction to Business 30, Achieving World-Class Operations Management. These are the instructions for assignment number 2. Now, you probably know, based on my love of football, that we'd have some assignment that would deal with aspects of a football game and being a fan at a football stadium. So assignment number 2 is incredibly remarkable. I hope you find it remarkable. And it is maybe a bit hilarious, and sadly, it's true. It's a true experience from my life in which I had to wait a long time to get a product of value. And I'm sure that a lot of you have waited in line. We do that all the time, whether we're going to a movie, we're buying tickets, maybe we go to a restaurant, we're ordering food, we're waiting at a grocery store, waiting at Costco to buy something there. But how many of you have spent about 45 minutes of your life waiting in line for just a single cup of hot chocolate? Well, that's what I had to endure about 10 years ago at Heinz Field in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. What I need you to do for assignment number 2 is read through the 2-page case study titled Heinz Field Hot Chocolate. And the nice thing with this case study, in my mind, it's a real capstone of a lot of the topics we've been discussing so far during the operations management module. This is a case study that looks maybe at waiting line analysis, at lean, process improvement, inventory management. There's a lot of aspects of core operations management that are dealt with in this particular case study. So your submitted assignment now should be about no more than 5 double-spaced pages. As with your earlier assignment, please use 12-point Times Roman font. Leave 1-inch margins in your assignments. For assignment number 2, there are 2 aspects that I want you to cover. Part A. If you look at me being the customer, so Keith Willoughby being the customer in this particular enterprise, waiting in line for hot chocolate, what could I have done to reduce my waiting time? What strategies or approaches could I, the customer, have followed to shorten my waiting time? Again, I waited 45 minutes of my life for a single cup of hot chocolate. Part B, what could the provider of the service, that being Heinz Field, do to improve its overall efficiency? Now, Heinz Field operated this concession stand at the football stadium. So what could the provider of the service have done to have provided a more efficient operation? In other words, what are some things that Heinz Field could have done to reduce the waiting time for its customers? So there are 2 aspects of this assignment. Number 1 is strategies that the customer could have followed to reduce the waiting time. The other part is strategies or approaches that the provider of the service could have followed to reduce the waiting time. So in your analysis, I want you to come up with as many quality suggestions as you can think of. But with each of those suggestions, I want you to provide a reason as to why you'd make that particular suggestion. If you thought that I should have done a particular something to reduce my waiting time, why would you make that recommendation for me? You will be marked on both the quantity and quality of the process improvement suggestions you provide. So good luck with this assignment. It's entirely true. It actually happened about 10 years ago. Good luck with the assignment. Talk to you later.